Hi, evening, Mr. Harris. It's Mr. Miles at FMAV. Just to let you know, we've done your laser for you for your jukebox. It's all working as it should be. What I've basically done is I've changed the laser for you. It seemed a little bit intermittent. I've got it working, but it's intermittent. But this one's working fine. I've put a brand new laser in there. You can see the markings on there. Someone's already been in there. I can see that. They've also subglued the spindle, but there's nothing bad about that because I do that because what happens is the clamp, when you put a clamp on top, it sometimes pushes the spindle down and it won't go anywhere. So a lot of people do it. But yeah, it's all good. I don't know why you ain't got your part numbers on there or anything. Someone's taken that off for some reason. But yeah. I've had it on for quite a few hours. It's showing no faults. I've not picked up any faults on it. You got a 6-month warranty on parts and labour, so if you get any problems, just give me a shout. But you won't get any problems. You shouldn't have any problems. But yeah, that's all good. I'm going to post this up to YouTube, and I'll email you, and yeah, all good. Please leave feedback when you're happy and you got it back and everything else. We appreciate that. Go out first class tomorrow. Sign for. Thank you. Thank you very much.